Tiny Temper, Ishi, Kelly Rowland, let's go.
Invincible, 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 invincible. We're invincible.
Yeah, they said we shouldn't, they said we wouldn't, look where we are. We've done what they thought we couldn't. As bad as the odds were looking, push, you be kept on pushing. And every time I nearly hit the ground, you were my cushion. There's evidence that proves that you were heaven sent. Cause when I needed rescuing, you were there at my defense. Girl, in you I find a friend. You make me feel alive again. And I feel like the brightest star, cause you made me shine again.
No matter where we are, no matter just how far our paths may lead, we don't need no shields, cause love is the armor that we need. We're invincible, invincible, invincible. Love's our protector. We're invincible, invincible, invincible. We're invincible.
From the wildest water, to the highest mountains, you and I forever. Even for the driest deserts, you lift me higher than ever. I feel as light as a feather, and when we're fighting together, we can take on the weather. I will keep you warm through every single storm you ever have to walk through. I will go before you. I will be the voice when you need someone to talk to. Please don't ever doubt me, let me reassure you.
No matter